To put VLOOKUP, you have to press equal and then type VLOOKUP, and you can press tab. First you have to check the lookup value, the value you are going to search, which is this name from the table. Here in VLOOKUP, the lookup value should be on the first column. See that in the down corner, right hand side corner, there is a box saying 8R into 2C, which means it says 8 rows and 2 columns. You go down 10 rows, which means 2 columns. We need the second column. Fix the table, second column, and press false because we need the exact match. Then it comes. So what would happen if you don't fix is, let's say if you don't fix, the table would go down when you copy it. Here the table is going down, so some figures won't get selected. That's why NA for Navi. So if you want to copy correctly, you have to fix the table. And if you don't want NA, you can put IFERROR formula like this, then comma, the value IFERROR is, I am giving 0, and you can copy it. So here, if the value, there's an error, they would give us 0. Here there would be an error, they would give us 0. Just remember that always in a VLOOKUP, the lookup column should be at the first row of this table. Here Azifa is in the first row of the table. Other than that, VLOOKUP is easy.